through faith, through prayers, through Mama Mary, we're still here. So again, it's our corporate value natin na number one na corporate value is faith in God. We have to keep that faith, we have to keep on praying, but we have to do our part. We have to be consistent, the hard work and energy and the teamwork. So we're continuing to make PD an environment na manamit man para sa tanan. And as long as everyone here is here, we will not stop, we don't stop now. We're gonna continue to fulfill people's dreams.